Okay, in our last sessions, we talked about our body and we said that our body consists of six systems. We talked about the first system, which is called the digestive system, and we said that the digestive system helps us to digest the food that we eat. After that, we talked about the second system in our body, which is called the respiratory system. And we said it's responsible of breathing or respiration process, or it helps us in breathing, or the other name respiration process. Today we will talk about the third system in our body, which is called the urinary system. The urinary system. What is the job of urinary system? Okay, when we eat the food, we need to get rid of the wastes of food that we have in our body. We get rid of these wastes by the excretion process. The excretion process means when we go to the toilet, we said that before. So, when we go to the toilet, this is the excretion process. And we go to the toilet to get rid of or to get out all the wastes of our body. We need to get these wastes out of our body. So this is the job of urinary system. The urinary system helps us to get rid of harmful or bad wastes out of our body. Again, what is the job of urinary system? The urinary system helps us to get rid of or get out the harmful or the bad wastes out of our body. Okay, we have two types of wastes. After eating, we have two types of wastes: solid wastes and liquid wastes. Solid wastes because of the food that we eat, and liquid wastes because of the liquids that we drink, like water, juices. So again, solid wastes, and these are the food that remained in our body. But liquid wastes, that's because of the drinks or the liquids that we drink. Okay, the urinary system here gets rid of only the liquid wastes. This system gets out only the liquid wastes, get it out of our body. Again, we said before that the solid wastes, the solid wastes are the undigested food. And this undigested food is stored in the large intestine, and we can get it out of our body through the anus. And the anus is a part of the digestive system. So we get out the solid wastes, we get the solid wastes out of our body by the digestive system through the anus. But we get the liquid wastes out of our body by the urinary system. So again, we have two systems and two different types of wastes: solid wastes and liquid wastes, the digestive system and the urinary system. We get rid of the solid wastes from the food, we get it out of our body by the digestive system through the anus. And we get rid of the liquid wastes out of our body by the urinary system. This system. So this system helps us to get rid of only the harmful liquid wastes. And these liquid wastes are called urine. Urine. So urine, This is the name of liquid wastes that we get out of our body. Okay, so again, the urinary system helps us to get rid of harmful or bad liquid wastes. These liquid wastes are called urine. We said before that there are two types of wastes. The first one is solid wastes, and we can get them out of our body by the digestive system through the anus. And the second type of wastes is liquid wastes. Liquid wastes, which is called urine. And we can get these liquid wastes or this urine out of our body by the urinary system. Okay? Okay. Next, we said that each system consists of organs. Each system consists of organs. Like we said in the digestive system, it's made of many organs like mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. These are the organs of digestive system. And when we talked about the respiratory system, we said also that it consists of many organs, and they are nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and two lungs. These are the organs of respiratory system. And also today, the urinary system consists of or made of many organs. What are the organs of urinary system? This is a photo of urinary system to show you the organs of it. First, we have here these two parts. These two parts. We have here one, two kidneys, kidney, two kidneys, one kidney. We have two kidneys. This is the right kidney and this is the left kidney. So first we have two kidneys. Then we have also one, two ureters, ureters, ureter. This long tube is called ureter. We have two ureters. This is the right ureter and this is the left ureter. And the last part here, this part is called urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Urinary for the urinary system. And it's called urinary system because it's used to get rid of urine. So the liquid waste is called urine system. And this is called urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. So the names of organs again, we have two kidneys, two ureters, and one urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay, let's talk about these organs. First, we have here these two kidneys. The right kidney is over here, and the left kidney. The two kidneys look like the beans in their shape. Their shape look like the beans. Do you know the beans? They exactly look like the beans in their shapes. And these two kidneys are the most important parts or the most important organs in the urinary system. These two kidneys are the most important parts or organs in urinary system. Okay. There are two long and thin tubes are going out of each kidney. So we have here in the right kidney, out of the right kidney, we have this long and thin tube. This is the right ureter. And here in the left kidney, there is another tube getting out of it. This long tube is the left ureter. So we have right ureter and left ureter. These two ureters are long and thin tubes. And these two tubes or these two ureters are connected to this bag or this balloon, which is called urinary bladder. The urinary bladder looks like a balloon or a bag because it stores the liquid inside it or the urine inside it. Okay, so the names of organ for the last time. These are the organs of urinary system. The first one, two kidneys, and we said they are the most important organs in the urinary system, and they look like the beans in their shapes. Number two, we have two ureters, and they are two long and thin tubes. Number three, urinary bladder, and it looks like a bag or a balloon. This is the first part for the urinary system lesson. I will unmute your voices now to answer your questions before I go to the next part. Any questions?
Miss, I wasn't here when you built the last system.
Okay. Sorry, there's someone was talking before you. Who's talking?
I don't know. So not me.
Again, any questions?
Me.
Who? Habiba Laban?
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
The
Hold on, Habiba Laban. I will just unmute you to can hear you. Yes, Habiba, I can hear you. You can ask.
can you get the system again, the picture?
The picture of organs of the urinary system.
Yes.
Okay. This one.
What is it? What is this and blue and red one? This one.
This, the blue tube and the red tube.
Yeah.
Okay, the red tube is called artery, and the blue tube is called vein. You don't have this in the curriculum, but I will answer your question, okay? Just to know them. This red tube, which is called artery, this tube takes the clean blood from the two kidneys to the heart. And this blue tube takes the unclean or unfiltered blood from the heart to the kidneys, because we will say now in the next part that two kidneys help us to filter the blood. So this is the tube that get the uncleaned or unfiltered blood from the heart to the kidneys to filter it, and the red tube or the artery takes the blood after filtration and get it back to the heart clean. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, the others, any other questions?
No.
No. No. Miss,
Yes.
which one is the beans?
I can't hear you. Sorry, who's talking?
Me.
Judy Tariq?
Yes.
Okay, hold on a second. Yes, Judy, you can talk now. I can hear you.
Which one is the beans?
Which one is what?
What is the beans?
I don't hear. Which one is what? Judy, you are unmuting your voice. You can hear
Max,
me? Yes. What is the
which
question
one is
again?
the beans?
Which one is the beans?
Yes.
It's not beans. I said that these two kidneys, can you see them on the screen? The, these these two kidneys, in their shapes, they look like the beans. They have exactly the same shape of beans. Do you know the shape of beans? This is the same shape of beans. So the two kidneys have the same shape of beans. You got it,
Unmute.
Judy?
Yes, yes.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue the next part of the lesson. Um, okay. Okay, we will continue our talking about the urinary system. We said that the urinary system helps us to get rid of harmful or bad liquid wastes, and these liquid wastes are called urine. Urine. Okay, this urine is made of what? The urine or the liquid wastes that we get out of our body, these liquid wastes are made of what? It consists of four things. Amira Mashal. I will answer your question when I finish, okay? This urine is made of what? It's made of four things. Four things. The first one is called urea. Urea. The second thing is called uric acid. Uric acid. The third one, sure, it has water. That's why it's liquid, because it contains a large amount of water. And the last one is salts. Salts. All the salts that we eat in our food, we get it out of our body by two ways: by urine, the liquid wastes, or by sweat, getting sweat. Our sweat is always salty because when you sweat, you get out the extra salts out of your body. So again, the urine or the liquid waste that we get out of our body consists of four things: urea, uric acid, water, and salts. These are the components of urine. Okay, let me remind you again what are the organs of urinary system. This is another photo for the urinary system to remind you what are the organs. We said first we have one, two kidneys, kidneys, two kidneys. Then we have one, two ureters, ureters. two ureters. Then this part which is called urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Okay. Now we will talk about the job or the function of each organ. What is the job of each organ of them? First, the two kidneys. What is the job of the two kidneys? The two kidneys filter the blood. Filter the blood. The heart gives the two kidneys an amount of blood to be filtered or cleaned from any bad substances or things inside it. So the heart sends an amount of blood from this tube to the two kidneys. The two kidneys start to filter the blood, filter the blood. And after filtration, when the blood now is clean and filtered, the clean blood goes back from this tube, the next tube. The clean blood goes back from this tube to the heart again, and the bad things or the wastes that the kidneys take, they are called the urine or the liquid wastes. So this urine was bad things or bad wastes in our blood. So when the kidneys filtered the blood, they take or get out the urine from the blood. And this urine goes out of the two kidneys, out of the two kidneys, moving inside the two ureters here. So again, the two kidneys filter the blood and they get out the urine or the liquid wastes out of them through these two long tubes, which are called ureters. Then the two ureters take this urine to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. We said that the urinary bladder is something like a balloon or a bag. So this urinary bladder inside it, stores the urine or the liquid wastes, stores it till it's completely filled. When it's completely filled with urine, you start to feel that you want to go to the toilet. This is your feeling that you need to go to the toilet because your urinary bladder here is completely filled with water or with liquid or with urine. So again, the two kidneys filter the blood. Then they get out the liquid wastes or the urine. The urine moves inside these two long tubes, which are called ureters, to take them to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder stores this urine till it's completely filled. Then, when you go to the toilet, you get out all of these liquid wastes or urine out of your body. So what is the job of each organ again? The two kidneys filter the blood. The two kidneys filter the blood. The two ureters take urine or pass urine from kidneys to the urinary bladder. Again, the two ureters or the two long tubes of ureters take the urine or pass the urine from the two kidneys to the urinary bladder. And what is the job of urinary bladder? The urinary bladder stores urine inside it. It stores urine inside it till it goes out of our body. This is the last part of the urinary system. So now that's all about urinary system, and we finished the lesson now, but I want you to watch this video with me, okay?
Okay.
Good.
First,
Okay.
any
love
questions?
Okay.
Any questions before I turn on the video? Amira, you wanted to ask, I think.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, but
Okay.
now we're talking and you answered the question.
I answered the question. Okay, that's good. Okay, any other questions?
No.
No.
Okay, just hold on a second.
Miss,
Yes.
I want a question.
Okay, I'm hearing you.
What is the urea and uric? What is the urea and the uric مش عارفة ايه ده.
Uric acid.
Acid. Uric acid.
Uric acid.
Yes, these are substances. They are chemical substances. We take them from the food, but they are bad for our body, so we have to get rid of them.
Okay.
And we can get rid of them by only one way, through the urine. Okay?
Okay.
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 18.
Very good.
Okay, I will share my screen with you again.
Are this way?
What is this?
It's Omar's one. It's Omar's.
Oh, it's not me.
I saw it says Omar is starting to share screen. I saw it.
Me too.
You can see my screen now?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, watch this video and listen carefully. And if you want to ask me any question after the video, I will answer it when you finish. Enjoy watching.
Kids Health presents How